General, mamaya na po yan. Please submit to this committee that official document that indeed you allow Colonel Grijaldo to have an official leave for 8 days. That's number one po. How about the previous? The previous medical certificates or medical checkups that was made by Grijaldo. Did he inform the police or the PIAO?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have the documents for him
Yes, Your
to
Honor.
request letter? Huwag niyong i-antedate, ha? Oh, please submit to this committee because, as mentioned by Chairman Abante, almost 1 month na po.
Will do that.
Pag-submit niyo po. Then the motion that was made, amended motion by Congressman Flores,